on the morning drive. 103.5
Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make you feel like
Ima, the father Kevin Fernandez, never na the FM 103.5.
People just say what you like a cinema. Wine on the thing like animal. Make sure you do nobody else like me. Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that.
Give me that.
Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make you feel like animal. I will lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1 million. People just say what you like a cinema. Wine on the thing like animal. Make sure you do nobody else like me. Just let that come down, just let go. Just let that come down, just let that come down, just let in the middle of all of these beautiful girls in the world when you dance. I step on mine and not to bend up. Me, I just want some pepper deep. Now it's like, roll it down, just slow down, just bring them to me down, just leave them, just leave it. Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal, dance make you feel like carnival. I don't let you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1 million. People just say what you like a cinema, wine on the thing like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me.
Yes, it's a blissful morning. Today, the 12th day of April 2024. Nebona, the 103.5 FM. And this morning, bet this flash, Nebona, they go to be tested, trusted, and approved.
Make me feel like we know the very life. Everything nice where you are. Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make you feel like carnival. I don't let you down like criminal.
It's a beautiful day for us to begin to, venture into spotting the imperialism just the way we do it weekdays. In the morning, Molukwana 8:20, Nebona, the 103.5 FM. And with this sweet jam coming from Burna Boy and Otutu Agodo, this is how we ball into this particular edition of Birthday Splash, Nebona, the 103.5 FM. Okoye metal.
More classic.
Yes, I hear we go keep we look. I saw to say this morning. Yes, Shaw Bear is in the building and it's about to go down right about Ketafo. Mumbai just celebrated birthday, Ndike celebrate together this morning. And this is Birthday Splash unfolding right before you before. Ketafo, go there. Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
And when nwoke nwunye na complain rinne bitly na this man na akwari rinne the thing we would take the woman or bakwo bello yotago nwanne we gbaka na be ha jemisi otu asa na afu gebe otu na afukwa ka je nka nna oga nodu no ofu ebe yes na jide kuzi gi red handed ebe ife ngini ife na eme Oga was in my own defense because my brother, free you making on this situation on money, you quite keep me him. I still can do Kid Akobefa. Or some what I can go soon on my phone, we go see the person. Oh, I want a back so when I go see another somewhere. Dog or West one Hawaii. One them because Baloga. No, no, one upon a disposition. I don't know what to do. Akoko Otibaju. We're about to start it right now. Because I go to weekdays in the morning. The birthday splash. It's about to unfold right about now. My name on this party right here is your party. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Yatago, as it's unfolding right about now. Can I celebrate the good game? I gave you go to the celebration this morning with David Letterman. He is an American comedian and actor, TV host. You have to go show and about David Letterman show, featuring a lot of celebrities over time. People like Dave Chappelle, a lot of people feature on Yabu show on a very good day, even Madonna. So today is his birthday. He was born April 12th, 1947. So we say again, happy birthday. Get involved. Let's celebrate you, Ketafo. It's about time. Yes, today is also the birthday of the former president of South Africa, and we are talking about Jacob Zuma. Oh, yesterday, kind of when I was in a court to clear Goduliako contest, contest on a very good day. So today's birthday, the fourth president of South Africa, born April 12th, 1942. I say again, happy birthday. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too, because it's about time. Happy birthday for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Today is also the birthday of David Cassidy, American actor and musician, born April 12, 1950 in New York City. This one is posthumous, but we just have to acknowledge him. He was born 1950 and he, went to the great beyond in 2017. And we say again, happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding. Yotago is about celebration. It is celebration galore in here. We are celebrating the people, name anniversary. We are celebrating the Pago is about celebration. It is celebration galore in here. We are celebrating the people, name anniversary. We are celebrating the people for their chieftaincy titles, conferment. Celebration around you. We are here now to celebrate with you. So celebrate the people around you. Kine celebrating Kechineke Melonios or Utua can Kegis when I bear your way. Naha Jesus. Amen. Years may go, but that whole thing where we already know. The day in the heart to love will grow, and you're feeling good, in time to hold your hand. So great. Yes, today is also the birthday of Jennifer Morrison, American actress, model, film producer, born April 12th, 1979 in Chicago. I know again. Happy birthday. Yes, I have a Tabagona jacket for Kai celebrating Deacon celebrating and Nigeria right about now, and it's about time. This is the time when we get to celebrate you. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. As I'm talking to you, a lot of people can evacuate Junior Pope. And one thing is for sure, Otuabuno Swega, everybody agreed to the fact that Junior Pope won out of carelessness. Unless some things are preventable, like this one, most people believe we not can prevent it. In as much as yes, this is not the time for us to, begin to, get into that blame game at the end of the day. But we must tell ourselves the truth about making our society better, how to have, quality life as individuals in this society. Yeah, some everything. But Papa, why is the sky blue? Why is this one? All of a sudden, Papa and Azan no. Park, what is this? How do you describe this, Daddy? What is Papa now say? How do I explain to you now? The same way, this is a container. It contains milk. We give it to children. All the go Anketa fo aya batago kai celebrating Deacon celebrate Golden Naija as I'm talking to you today is the birthday of the former first lady Naija Godo. Yes, kind of network opposite imperialism right about Ketafo. I want a message in the can celebrate and let's celebrate them right about Ketafo. We got the message that said good morning and TGIF. Thank God it's a Friday to you, Honorable Sam Metal, Ichie Buruburu, and Lady Classic of the Nation. One ago this Botoku, it is still me, the youngest Afrayo. From Uncle Snack, and I'm wishing all the celebrants of today happiest birthday, long life and prosperity, and everything good in this life is what I'm wishing them. Sameta, let's move forward. I need some bagam. Negodu bagama jide, my brother. Yes, it is happening this morning. Yatago akoko oti poju. Yes, as I was telling you, today is the birthday of former First Lady of Nigeria, Fati Lami Abubakar, born April 12th, 1951 in Mina. I say again, happy birthday. Yes, get involved. Let's celebrate you too. It is celebration galore up in here. Yes, on our Facebook, we are joined by Ike Bulunwa. Now, Bulunwa na good on a very good day. He said, good morning, the metal. I'm Ike Bulunwa, testing from Surulere, Lagos. birthday blessings to all those celebrating today. Oifoku, you have to go all the way from Joe. Obula belly face unfolding right about now. And right now, today is also the birthday of Oladipo Martins, a footballer born April 12, 1983 in Lagos. I say again, happy birthday. Yes, on a far on food, get involved. Let's celebrate you too. It is celebration galore. Emanige send me SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. You can as well join us on Facebook as we're live at Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Drop your comment on the comment section of the live video right there. Today is also the birthday of the former Chief of Army Staff of Nigeria, Joseph Akan. He was born April 12, 1937 in Boko. I was again. Happy birthday. Today is also the birthday of Garba Ali Muhammad, a Nigerian politician born April 12, 1949 in Zaria. I am again. Happy birthday on our far own food. We need to celebrate you right about now. And today is also the birthday of Henry Okoroji, Nigerian footballer born April 12, 1984 in Ngopala. So we say, happy birthday. Yes, and I joined go there in our Facebook portal right now. And we got this message coming from Ozo Francis Nnamani from Amagunza in Enugu State. And he says, good morning, metal and classic. Happy birthday to all those that are celebrating today. Wishing them sound health, long life and prosperity. Congratulations, he says to them. You have to go. It is unfolding, Ketafo. Let's celebrate you too. Yes, on Facebook still, the youngest Frayuna Asapa, good morning to you, Sameta. It is unfolding. Get involved. Let's celebrate you right about now. Yes, today is also the birthday of, Nigerian George Kenneth Kiazo, born April 12, 1935. Happy birthday. Yes, Olugoko Sialu, Yotago, I can celebrate Aganiru now. A lot of people will see that if you want to hide knowledge from a black person, write it on a book. We need to prove them wrong because in Kiba as well, we need to tell our stories as a people. You have to go, and when we begin to tell these stories as a people, a lot of people will begin to learn to hurt each other. On a very good day, and we are talking about it because education, the right way, is that the black people, Africa, started the typography, started the writing before anybody else on earth. So we must maintain all of that. I am hip hop and Igbo culture is on Amazon.com by yours faithfully, Martin Efa and Chukwuekeze. Check it out. And as we proceed, to give you what you need, satisfaction, until we go to one side, we go to Mbada guaranteed. I'm talking about job. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akụkọ Otikpoju, Okposa, and we'll talk about it right about Ketafo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Everything I know in Nigeria can revolve around the actor Junior Pope. And then when a lot of lessons I get learned from Ifemeno, one or the good careless, although not him as an individual. I'm talking about the movement, even in a man on this process. And carelessness to an extent, in the way we live our lives. Some of the things I need to take it for granted. I blow if you on a very good day, when I need to take care for granted. A situation whereby I'm mother to live on a very good day. I send a life jacket. I said, don't worry, I'll just move it across. Or you might think we came before we see about we move we cross to the other side. I am beginning now. And at the time, to the other side. I am beginning now. And at the time, our poverty, across because on a very good day, buying a line and on a very good day. I am a life jacket, but we didn't it also, have a lot of lessons where we treat each other as people. You have to go the fact that I had a value on a very good day. Because kind of people in a lot of things and now prophecies. You have to go no prophet I see one and people making at the end of the day. Melo Bulu the reason you will probe some of these things on a very good day because some we can look say innocent and on it money probe will be investigated. If you don't ever mothers were back mothers were cause at the end of the day. Because even near prophecies Nina had a book as I'm talking to you now, then we'll go another one and I'll go one sister no one and Hollywood. Now see a sister Jidepo Wagaka because then when they apply it till get poison and Umifenina or Zoakopanka, hey no me. Make a way with chafing in on a very good day, and the way we treat each other matters. Akoko Otipoju. Akụkọ nke izi anyị ji wee bata n'ụtụtụ a nwekwa na a lot to do with ndị Igbo aja n'isi. A particular Igbo aja n'isi nke na-connect with ndị ori, ndị ekperima, ndị omila. Wee na-ezu ndị mmadụ na-ezu ndị mmadụ nke dị egwu. Enwere ike ọ bụrụ ụmụ mana ụmụ nwoke ya ka ọ nọ wee na-enweta information onye nke anyị ejere ọbụ nes. Mana ndị nwa nwefere ya yotago I'm talking about ọlọkpa ma ọ bụ na polisi yotago on a very good day. Ma ekwuye na Lagos ma ekwuye na Southwest asị gị na ọlọkpa to down. Ekwuye na this side. Agwa gị na ndị nwa tụpa down my brother. So ndị nwa nwefere this guy ka o si adị on a very good day na Delta State. Enwefere 12 persons are arrested, including a fake pastor, for various criminal offenses ranging from kidnapping, cultism, murder, and illegal dealings of drugs. Because now a lot of bottle number and on a very good day. Now, the Tiffany as well unfold when I asked the commissioner of police, I've been a wonder, Olufemi, now be a parade, now Uheli and East environs. When I Akawakusa, then Nambia, these faceless kidnappers now ensure that I can make sure I bring the to book. But the funny thing there is that now among them, but one person they claim a man of God. But now everybody have to go fake. But one thing why he when I still.
Well, society kidnapping or easy my phone or motor offenders on the model and overall spirit is from a Bayana or wherever. So most times I so disguise it in so many ways. If one in okay on I got where now where form of here now what I can do send so example oduni ihe na-eme n'oge ụfọdụ nke a egosigo n'eziokwu na anyị kwesịrị ka anyị na-enebara anya n'okirikiri anyị malụ dịka anyị si ekwu ya malụ onye bụ nebo gị malụ nke ọ na-eme because o nwere ike ị na-eche na ihe na-eme gị si ebetela aka ihe mmadụ set na onye gị na-anọ around bụ ife na-eme ya otu a ejidego ha because na how I continue na-eme ya fa feel that na ebe fa na free no, yeah, the man.
Yes. And every day, one day for the thief, one day for the owner.
Exactly.
Just can holozia classic from there keta afọ. Ka o si adịgodo n'ụtụtụ a ịbatazie ịgwa ya ife ilo na ya befe kedu advice ị ga-enye in this nation. Somebody na-ebu Bible na-agagharị all of a sudden ọ bụrụ na anya na ndị ekperima na ịsa alụkọ on a very good day. Na akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ ga-akụzili anyị a lot of things. Ife ọ ga-akụzili anyị kịta afọ wee bụrụ na mgbe ọzọ ị ga-afụ onye ọbụla na-ekwu gbanwee ego ochie gị, ego dakara adaka, ọ nwere nke anyị na-arọ na ka be very careful the way you deal with such a person. One ị ga-ajụgodi ese, my brother, it is registered CBN na makwa na ị nọ on a very good day because of ife mere Bobby risky. Ya Bob nke risky on a very good day. Ọ bụ na ịlote ị ga-elote na ọtebe aka EFCC kpọọ Bobrisky wee jebe court where he faces 4 charges related to mutilation of 490,000 naira worth of naira notes. Ego ọbụla abụọ ịghọtago in as much as na anyị na-ekwukwa about gbanwee ego ochie gị, ego dọkara aka dọka na onwere nke anyị na-arọ ụmụ ife niile a still you must be very careful about the way isi espray ego Nigeria because na enwere ike nọ ebe anyị ka na-espray ya a na-agba egwu ịma mma na EFCC egwu ego na hall a bifo ịma na-eme aka na-aba ha ofu onye ofu aka once. Ị na-anya kịta efu na onwe one video na-circulate godo online yotago ihe mere na that video bụ na mmadụ bụ ego ya bụ mmadụ yotago a na-eme expect ka ọ na-efe ya bụ ego efe oji the person saa aka gị onye a saa aka oji nwaanyị na-eplesi ya n'aka a na-asị ka gị na-emezi pa ọsị na ọ dị ka ndị FCC a n'ebe a obi a very good day nwanne m nwaanyị biko kedu ihe nwee ikwu ka anyị were agakwa n'ihu steeti
also cool bag is when I said okay our governor now more CBN governor.
Yes.
So they queer this showing your mother ego bossing about just when it envelope. Hey,
you want to beat you na
can I go to street ego with respect only because I can I'm kind of a national pride.
Yes.
So, mother, I'm on care of risky now. All to go for example, like August go now. I was serious, Makayabo, you were there before. So, going up on an aperture for Anya. I'm more, but I did I have they guys to follow open source of fire the duty of it because now I'm gonna
Bobrisky put a court if on ever Bonyama law, no ignorance, Yama law, but ignorance. Anyway, it's unfolding, and I could also the big brother Niger on a very good day. A lot of things are going to keep as well. A situation whereby some of them they protest and other opposite for one. Now they measure package were on a very good day. Melofina were put away and I call for out. Only due to and and all of that. But one or somewhere now, John, what do you people expect? And I have because if an element on a very good day, going to generate it. Because if one case you criticize Yabu show on a very good day, if one of the things in the media some of the persons like somebody like Nedu now complaining now how they want skills, I got bag like how you do skills and how they use those skills which is even after Kahanos in the house. But in as much as in Kane, you go and California BB Naija Bo Ifenanda on a Kawa near Bulu near Wolugo Nduyaketa near Christ na February back in 2023 the actress is celebrating birthday that period. By then could we decide na life yabo Jesus Christ go and Yaketa. So the thing about Pandamado Bam only just BB Naija house on a very good day. I'm on a me for a very good day. Most of them now before one about the pioneers of the activities of the patron and or men cause some of them were a lot of things. Some of them gonna call again. na ọ bụrụ na ị na-eme n'iji 100 and something thousand na gị na-eji ọkwa apịa on a very good day ya na-amagoro otu o si adị n'ide isi ya na-eti igodo n'otu point ego ijikwa ego ndị ijikwa ego ka anyị na-ekwu on a very good day mana onye nke a kịta na-agba anyị na-ewelgo ndị anya Kraịst nwanne m nwaanyị ka ihe nwere kwuru ya ka anyị wee na-agakwa n'elu still
ndụ onye Kraịst bụ ezigbo ife and ndị mmadụ enidiri dị na-adị surprise na omelu na ododo ha ga-adịkwa surprise because na ha na-eme ya expect but dịka isi wee malụ ihe niile dị Chineke n'aka ọ bụ na o decide ya na onye a ga-surrender ka ya were ya wee jebe ka ọ lụbali ya ọrụ ọ karịrị Chineke ime so nyawa bụ ihe dịkwa na ya and maybe na nwazi dịka esi ekwu ọ na-ego side a so ka ọ na-elekwa side a wee chọpụta kịta na inye ndụ ya to Christ bụ ife karịa mma so na ezigbo ife ka o mee and anyị na-enye anya na ọ ga-continue with ya bụ ezigbo ndụ o chụziri ibi kịta so that ndị ọzọ ga na-enyekwali ya anya because na ọ dịka mkpa ụwa anyị nọ ya nwere otu o si wee dị so onye ọbụla kwesịrị ka anyị na Chineke dị na mma all the time dị n'udo
enwe ọdụ na ka o esi dị ịbata n'ụtụtụ anyị gwa anyị filo n'ihe niile aka ose ahụ food right about kịta afọ but it is very important ife o mee bụ a very good thing just ekpere anyị bụzi na onye maintain